Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with Unit 5 of MMPC 002, that is Job Analysis, Design and Evaluation. So let's see the objectives of this chapter. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand the nature, process and method of job analysis and the concept and use of job design and need of job evaluation. And structure of this unit are, first of all, there is an introduction, concept of job analysis, objectives of job analysis, importance of job analysis, aspects of job to be analyzed, methods of job analysis, techniques to obtain data for job analysis, job description and job specification, and job design and evaluation, job evaluation, and summary, self-assessment questions. So these are the structure of this unit 5. So let's begin with the introduction. Job analysis is a systematic process of gathering information about work, jobs and relationship between jobs, corporate restructuring process, quality improvement programs, human resource planning, job design, recruitment strategies, training programs and succession planning are among the other HR activities that are based on job analysis. Job analysis provides some basic information about the various jobs and skills required to perform the job effectively so that it creates and sustains organizational capability. Job descriptions and job specifications are needed to attract and select qualified employees and evaluate compensation systems and particular compensation decisions. Apart from job analysis, this unit will focus on the concept of job design and job evaluation. So first of all, the concept of job analysis. Job analysis is the fundamental process that forms the basis of all human resource activities. The importance of job analysis has been well established for years, dating back to at least the First World War. The US, that is United States government's uniform guidelines on employee selection procedure, that is on 1978, and American Psychological Association's principles for the validation and use of personnel selection procedures stipulate that job analysis is essential to the validation of any and all major human resources activities. In simplest term, a job analysis is a systematic process for gathering, documenting, and analyzing data about the work required for a job. The data collected in a job analysis and reflected through a job description includes a description of the context and principal duties of the job and information about the skills, responsibilities, mental models, and techniques for job analysis. These include position analysis questionnaire, which focuses on generalized human behavior and interviews, task inventories, functional job analysis, and job element method. A job analysis provides an objective picture of the job, not the person performing the job, and as such provides fundamental information to support all subsequent and related HR activities such as recruitment, training, development, performance management, and succession planning. And the job analysis serves two critical functions with respect to this process. Job analysis helps ensure that decision made with respect to HR process are good decision and fair and accurate. Selection of the right person for the job, appropriate decision about training, performance management, development, etc. And it helps ensures the defensibility of decisions made to employee, that is resulting in a good HR management, and to the costs resulting in saving of cost, time, reputation. And the unit of study in job analysis may be position or a job. A position is the most basic structural entity in the organization, representing the collection of duties assigned to a single person. One or more similar positions, each of which is interchangeable with the others in terms of work activities, makes up a job. In fact, a job has been defined as work consisting of responsibilities and duties that are sufficiently alike to justify being covered by a single job analysis. It has also been defined as a collection of job positions similar enough to one another in terms of their work behaviors to share a common job title. The linkage positions in an organization provides a roadmap and tool for translating the organization's mission, values, and business priorities into result. Why is there a need to talk in terms of positions or jobs? It is because it is necessary to identify the results individual will be accountable for when they are hired, how their work fits in or relates to other work performed in the organization, how their work should be compensated for in relation to that of others, on what basis recruitment and training should be carried out, and so on. And the next is objectives of job analysis. The purpose of job analysis is to establish and document the job relatedness of employment procedures such as training, selection, compensation, and performance appraisal. Other important uses that job analysis can be put to are indicate training needs, put together work group or team, provide information to conduct salary survey, provide a basis for determining a selection plan, provide a basis for putting together recruitment, and describe the physical needs of various positions to determine the validity of discrimination complaints as input for organizational analysis, as input for strategic planning, as input for any human relations needs assessment, and a basis for coordinating safety consent. And next is importance of job analysis. According to scientific management, the key to productivity is a precise understanding of the tasks that constitute a job. If the motion of workers are to become standardized and machine like, then it is necessary to be certain about what is to be accomplished as well as what abilities and materials are necessary to do the job. For many years, job analysis was considered the backbone of the scientific. Clipboard and stopwatches was the method used to determine the most efficient way to perform specific job. As the popularity of scientific management declined after World War II, however, so did the popularity of job analysis. With the new emphasis on human relation as the key to productivity, job analysis was used primarily to set salary scales. But in the modern times, workers and employees began to take a renewed interest in this area because of concern about two issues: unfair discrimination and comparable worth. There are two areas where unfair discrimination in hiring can occur: in the standards set for being hired and in the procedures used to assess the applicant's ability to meet those standards. Job analysis addresses the question of what tasks taken together actually constitute a job. Without this information, standards for hiring may appear to be arbitrary or worse, designed to exclude certain individual or groups from the workplace. More recently, the issues of comparable worth has also contributed to a new interest in job analysis. Comparable worth refer to equal pay for individuals who hold different job but perform work that is comparable in terms of knowledge required or level of responsibility. The major issue of the comparable worth controversy is that women who are employed in jobs that are comparable to those held by men are paid on the average about 65% of what a man would earn. In order to determine the comparability of job tasks so that salaries can also be compared, a proper job analysis is necessary. Comparable work is an issue of considerable interest to many people. Okay, so this is about today's section. Next section, aspects of a job to be analyzed, and that we will discuss on next video. So this is about today's session. If you have any doubt, you can contact our contact number also, and also you can comment it on comment box. Thank you so much.